How to restart a speaker on Spotify. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restart a speaker on Spotify. To restart a speaker on Spotify, you need to stop and then reconnect the speaker through Spotify Connect or Bluetooth, depending on how it's connected. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Spotify application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, start playing a song. Choose any song from here and then inside it tap on this play button right here to start the playing. Once it starts playing, at the bottom you will be able to see this bar. Here tap on this device's icon and once you tap on it, you will reach to this page. Here I haven't connected to any speaker so I am not able to see any device here. But if you are connected to speaker, you will need to select the speaker you are using. And if the speaker is already selected, then choose a different device first. After that, now switch back to the original speaker. This will reconnect the speaker and may help with restarting the stream. If you are using Bluetooth, then you will need to first turn off your Bluetooth or you may also disconnect the speaker. You can power off your Bluetooth speaker manually and then turn it back on. Also turn on the Bluetooth on your mobile device and then reconnect the speaker to your phone or device through Bluetooth settings. Now once you are connected, open your Spotify and start playing the music again. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you will need to turn off the speaker completely and then wait for a few seconds, around 10 to 30 seconds. And after that, you can turn the speaker back on and reconnect it to your Spotify. This process should restart the speaker and help you resolve any connection issues. So by following the steps, you should be able to restart the speaker on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.